Mary. Start with ice.
Poquito.
Just like that. Bacon vodka. It's really rich on the ceiling, huh?
Yeah.
Bacon vodka, 1 ounce.
Smell.
Smell bacon. It's really smell bacon.
Usually it's a normal vodka, but
Yeah. Just the normal one, but I just want to make a twist. Tomato juice. It's a clamato. The Worcestershire sauce.
wow, this is very good.
It's a British sauce. It's a
Yeah.
product of England. Just a lot of spices and Bloody Mary. And Tabasco. Pepper sauce. Sauce at pala. I like Tabasco.
You know the story of the bottle?
Yeah, the story of the bottle, this is the perfume of the wife of the owner or the guy who invented the Tabasco. And then lime. Shake, shake, shake. Let's rim the glass with lime. I think I messed up everything.
Okay.
Just gonna put it like that. And this is a rimmer clamato. Clamato rimmer.
Usually it's a resale salt.
There you go. It's a Bloody Mary. Let's put this bean. Tereng-tereng bean.
Marinade.
Tereng-tereng bean. Marinated. There, guys.
Usually it's a celery.
Yes, celery. Charan. Voila! The Bloody Mary. Don't forget, guys, don't drink and drive. Let's try it, guys, and I'm gonna use this straw to try. It's yummy.
Yummy, eh?
It's yummy. I like it. Why you don't like Bloody Mary? Me, I like
Oh,
it.
no play.
It's yummy.
Mhm.
So it's gonna be mine.
Yeah.